He's the MTV guy. He's the radio guy. He's the funny guy. Please welcome Jose Cavallo.
What is up? Oh my God, so many people. It's amazing to see so many people from the comment section over here. Give yourselves a big round of applause, guys. So many amazing YouTubers. Big round of applause for YouTube as well, come on. Fantastic. All right, you guys have seen the misheard lyrics thing I do. I know, it's terrible. It's not even a real skill. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you the best of that right here. And we've never done this before in front of a live audience. All right, so this could be the best thing you've ever seen or the most messed up thing you've ever seen in your life. Are you ready? All right, I know I'm extremely good looking, but don't look at me. I want you to only look at the screens. I'm gonna put up a presentation for you guys. I hope this is working. Here we go. Hold on. Okay, here we go, guys. We're about to begin the first ever misheard lyrics live. Ma'am, you need something? You wanna go to the bathroom? Oh, that's gonna be tough from there. You want to give this to Bethany? Okay. I have no idea what you're saying, so I'm gonna get back to you. All right, let's begin. Can we have the presentation on? All right, everybody, for the first time ever, misheard lyrics presented live. I want you to stare only at the text now. For those who wanted to know the secret behind this, I used to think that lyricists and composers got together and hid these messages inside songs just to mess with people, but apparently there's something wrong with me. And you guys hear it too, so I don't know what's up with that. Here we go, misheard lyrics. In this song, yeah, hold on. You guys know the song Baby Doll? Yeah, so, so in this song, for some reason, these people are singing about cooking reindeers. Can we have the audio, please? I know, that's so weird, right? Who eats reindeer? All right, I'll move to the next one. Did we miss one? Hold on. I'm still getting used to this clicker. All right. You guys know this song. Hey, Shona. My God, what is wrong with you people? So, I believe that this song, what is happening? Okay, I'll let the guys in the control room do it, all right? Can you guys go over to the Hey Shona slide? There are people in the control room going, oh, kaun sa button dabao? All right, so here we go. And I used to think that this song was about a guy who wanted to check his girlfriend's cell phone, but she was just not letting him. Let's hear the audio.
Hey Shona, hey Shona. Hey Shona, hey Shona.
I can't believe you guys are screaming for something like this. That's terrible. All right, next slide, please. This one. I think somebody hid this message in this song for everybody on Twitter that spends all their time fighting with each other on Twitter. This is the song.
चलो चलो जी न चलाओ गालो पकड़ किसी की wrist. We twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist.
Sir, we're trying to work over here. What are you doing? Those are not the actual words, by the way. I love you too, Mom. Oh, it's you guys are. Can we go to the next slide, please? Yes, I work for MTV, by the way. You guys know that. But for some reason, this song from Ashiki 2, this really sad 2, has this guy singing about Channel V. Can we have the audio, please?
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी.
I know, right? So weird. Who sings about a channel? All right, can we have the next slide, please? Fantastic. I spent hours looking for a picture of cheese. All right. So Neeraj Sridhar, you guys know Neeraj Sridhar, Bombay Vikings, yeah? Well, I don't know him, but he sang this song, and I think his girlfriend was leaving him, but she left all her cheese behind. And I think that's really sweet of her because he was hungry, I think. So let's have the audio, please.
Chali, leaving all her cheese behind. Only love's on her mind. Finally.
Yes, she finally left the cheese behind for him. What a sweet lady. Oh man. Cheesy lady. So funny. I want to work with you. Oh yes, this is one of my favorites. Please guys, calm down. I don't know why. I have no idea why Paresh Shah kept his shaver with that auntie. Okay? Usually you'd keep your shaver in your own drawer, but he kept it with his auntie. And if you give it a listen, here's Paresh Shah asking auntie for the shaver.
मैं परेशान 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 आतिशे वो कहाँ
I know there's something wrong with me. I'm gonna go to the doctor, but you guys hear it too, right? Then I'm not going to the doctor. All right, let's move on to the next slide. You guys don't understand how much of work I put into this presentation. I had to go to Google, type Dilbert, look for the picture, paste it. Anyway, Sushmita Sen, if you guys know who she is, she was in a song which is really amazing. And before her time, she was singing about Dilbert in a Hindi song in Bollywood. So let's roll that. Wow, who knew these things would be hidden in these songs? Can we have the next slide, please? I swear, I don't know how this happened. You guys know the song Lovely? Main lovely ho gayi yaar, maa tera pad ke na tera pad ke. Bethany was just dancing to it, right? Yeah. It's crazy going on after Bethany because like I have 800 subscribers. Bethany is like, I can't even count. I love you too, Mom. So here we go. This is the last one for the night, for me at least. Nobody realized that the starting of that song where people are chanting Mohini, 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 there was someone screaming in the back asking Ranbir if he's shaved her toe. I didn't know that was a thing we did here in India. So let's roll that audio. What? That's totally normal. I'm sorry. This is how it is, guys. Thank you so much. My name is Jose. Oh.
Make some noise for Jose, everybody.
Make some noise for Karan and Biswa, everyone.
Now, Jose, we just have one question for you. Since you seem to do this amazingly well, do you
Supposedly.
remember what is the first song that you misheard and what were the misheard lyrics?
Are you guys 18 plus? Yes, the right answer is Fevicol Say, and the misheard version I can't tell you here.
Oh, okay. You just realized? Okay, that's great. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, Jose.
Thank
Ladies
you.
and gentlemen, once again, Jose Cavaco.
Thank you so much.
Now, ladies